Yamaha reveals the Aerox 155 World MotoGP 60th Anniversary Edition. This has the 155 Sport single liquid-cooled 155cc 4-stroke engine with the VVA technology with 15 horsepower and 13.9 Newton meter of torque. The VVA prioritizes efficiency in a specific RPM to maximize the performance when needed. Aside from that, this Aerox also has a price of 146,000 peso because of the new livery or stickers, as you can see. This has the 24.5 liters of storage, accommodating XL helmets to ease riders. This has the 5.8-inch instrument cluster with a Bluetooth connectivity, USB charging, LED lamps, LED DRL, and LED tail lamps. Again, this is 146,000 peso at Yamaha, Mabiga, Mabalacat, Pampanga. Don't forget to subscribe on Pixie Moto.